Hello everyone. I'm late with this video. I usually try to get the Happy Meal hauls up within the first like day or two of the month, but with me being so sick, I sounded so awful and I had zero energy. Getting it to it now. So for those not familiar, these are cards that were sent to my P.O. box. I like to show everything. We do have themes, but I am not at all strict with them because things can take way too long to get here sometimes. Like I have a couple cards that were meant for March that didn't show up in my post office box till April, which is fine. So not strict with themes. Also, I just wanted to say, like, I put the theme for April cards as Mother's Day, but I also include, like it was Mother's Day and or like thinking of you. I know for a lot of people Mother's Day is really, really difficult. I hear you 100%. There's like for so many reasons. There's so many reasons. It can be a very, very difficult day, and I agree with it. I'm not the biggest fan of Mother's Day. But anyway. So another reason why I'm not like strict with the themes, I'm not gonna force it. And anyway, let's get into the cards that showed up in my P.O. box. I have Lena's and Peugeot's cards. They're from Finland. They've been doing this now for the last few months. Everyone's been really enjoying this. So they kind of, they follow the themes and they each do, you know, a different card, and then they mail them together in an envelope. And it's fun to see a different take on crafting. And I know, I'm sure a lot of us are, you know, a little jealous. It'd be so much fun, you know, to have a friend to like do these little challenges. And I'm totally impressed with you guys, you know, that you're like using my like Happy Mail thing for your cards. I think it's fun. So, oh, is one of these for May? Oh yes, okay. I need to set aside that for May. It said May right on it. It shows how much I'm paying attention. Okay, perfect. I have that info as well about, I want to make sure. Okay, yes, they were all labeled perfectly. Thank you guys. I have that info as well if you want to mail for multiple months, because I do a couple in advance. All that info will be like in my actual blog post. So, okay, so we have Lena's card and Peugeot's card. Okay, let's do this proper. The envelopes are decorated as well. You keep me in stitches. Oh, that's cute. I love you so much. That's really cute. And you could totally do that like in, you know, friend, sister, whoever, you know, like that's really cute. That's fun. Okay. And the bling. I'm like such a magpie. Okay. And then this one is a square card. Oh, pretty. It's a shaker card, and then that's pretty. So much fun. So fun. So we've got those. And then I've got this one from Miranda in the UK, and the envelope is all like foiled and fabulous. So another big card. Her cards are usually, this is like 6 by 8, almost 8 1/4. So Lily, I think I'm right, Lily of the Valley, right? That's what these are. I'm horrible with knowing like what's what with flowers. But yeah, really pretty. I like the idea of like stamping them and then having one popped up and like in full color. That's neat. Very pretty. So that one. And then this one is from Stephanie in Germany. It's still, oh, and it always blows my mind. All like, you know, we've got Finland, the UK, Germany, like, that's amazing. So this one's all like multiple die cuts popped up and then glossy. And then yeah, you're doing a fantastic job. So really pretty. And then like the letters are shimmery. Live. And then we've got these ones from Canada, Michigan. These were the ones that were sent, and they're meant for March, but they didn't get here till April, which is just fine. So these are from Candace, and she did this really fun celebrate card. Actually, she said what? Oh yeah, I was pretty sure. These are the Honeybee Cupcake Builder wafer dies, and she added little like micro beads or little yeah, little seed beads for the embellishments. Really cute. And it's all like glossy, so it literally looks like chocolate frosting. Fun. Really fun. So we have that one. And then we have this really cute little Easter one. And this is one of the MFT dies. I will link to these. I haven't even had a chance to use them yet. MFT has a whole bunch of like critter dies now, and they're so cute. Like, look how adorable that is. Aren't they the cutest? So I will link all in the blog post and stuff. I'll have links to them so you guys can check them out, because I literally have piles of stuff. I need more hours in the day. But yeah, really cute little Easter card. So fun. So that was the April. Yeah, because it's May now. Oi. April Happy Mail haul. Huge thank you to you guys for sending them in. Thank you for the letters. I read all of them. I don't read them like on the video because a lot of times they're more personal. But yeah, huge thank you to you guys. Huge thank you to my patrons. For those not aware, I have a Patreon page where we have just a little kind of community going on, and it's just people that support what I do, etc. So huge thank you to you guys. I'll have a link to Patreon below as well. I'll have all the info about the Happy Mail haul and what we do and yada yada yada. Again, all that will be on my blog, and I'll link to it in the description below. And yeah, not just a thank you to like patrons, thank you to you guys that send in, thank you to you guys that watch and that leave comments. Like, that's the other thing I've really become like why I love continuing the Happy Mail thing, because everyone's comments are so positive and so nice and so genuine. And if you have questions or, you know, questions about different things, or want to just say something nice about the cards you see, leave that in the comment section below, because then they can see it, they can read it, because that's the whole point. It's just fun. And again, one last disclaimer, because I do see it and I get it. People that, you know, feel intimidated by, you know, the cards you see or the cards I make, or, you know, you see professionals, because like, I use that term loosely, doing that. I'm not talking about these, like talking about mine, myself. We all have to start somewhere. If you go to splitcoaststampers.com, that was like the mecca originally of card making. Like, that was one of the first like actual websites, like before we had YouTube, before we had anything. And I still have a gallery on there. It's under just, I think it's under just AmyR. But if you look that up, you can find the very first, like my originals are on there. Very first cards I ever made. Very simple, very basic, just basic. And we all started somewhere. That was over 15 years ago. You know, I've literally been doing this over 15 years now. So I'm glad I can do this. I've been doing the Happy Mail haul now for, goodness, it's been what, 3 years? Something. And I love it. I love sharing what you guys are making, because it's not all about me. I like to do what I can. And yeah, so anyway, all that to say, don't be intimidated, and just, everyone has different styles, everyone has different interests, everyone has different, you know, I like cutesy, some people like more realistic, some people like very technique driven, some people like very clean and simple. Like, I like a lot. I like a lot. But you know, we all have different styles, we all have different tastes, we all have different skill levels. I'm hoping these words, like some people have said, that words do get through and it makes them feel better. And I hope it does. Like, don't ever feel intimidated or that you're not good enough, you know, because I've had people message me and leave comments and say like, oh, I could never send one in, I'm not good enough. Don't ever believe that. Like, don't. Please don't. You know, some people are very, 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 you know, can go all out and have all these products and they have all this experience and everything else. And other people, you know, you're just starting and you have like one stamp and not a lot of paper and all that kind of stuff. And just whether you send it in or not, you know, don't let that intimidate you. We all have to start somewhere. So anyway, hopefully my rant thoughts helped somewhat. But yes, thank you all so very much. These always brighten my day, and I love sharing it with the rest of you. And again, links and info and all that fun stuff will be below, and I will see you all very soon in another video. Bye.